So I'll be showing you how to subscribe to someone's Instagram page. So what you need to do is, first of all, find that page. So for instance, if I want to subscribe to a page like iJustine, which I love iJustine. So if you want to subscribe to her page, just go to her profile. And then if she has enabled subscriptions, then you should see a subscribe button in her profile. Okay, you can see the button right here. So what you want to do is tap on that. Now on the subscription page for this particular profile, you can see how much you're going to be paying monthly. Okay, and then you can see if the option to cancel anytime is enabled. And then also here you should see everything you're getting with the subscription. So for instance, for this profile, you get a subscriber badge, exclusive content, social and broadcast channels, all this stuff. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and subscribe, you just tap on subscribe, and Instagram will use the payment method you've added to the platform to charge you for that particular subscription. So you can see mine is my Visa. So all I need to do is confirm by tapping on subscribe, and I'm gonna get subscribed to that particular Instagram page. And that is basically how to subscribe to someone on Instagram. Now, not all pages are going to have the subscribe button. This is just for the few who've enabled and who've surpassed or met the threshold for adding a subscription button to your profile. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.